Is it Restream that's having issues? Might be Restream that's having issues. I'll give it a minute though. Very well could be my Wi-Fi. Um, let's see. Save list item, packed scene. And so this would be save menu, which is, oh hey, while we're at it, grab, UI, general, save list item. So save menu, save list container, script save menu, save list item, packed scene. Oh, because of the, we'll move this here. And then close this. And then open this. And then do this. I don't get it. Oh, yeah, that would do her. Okay, so save list item. Save list container. For save in saves. Var test equals save list item dot instantiate test dot oop, test dot save label dot text equals go ahead and get rid of that. Go ahead and get rid of all of that. And we can go ahead and get rid of all of that. And then it's test dot load button. And then test dot delete button. And then add child test. I believe. Save list item that. I think that should work just out of the box. Save list. Well, yes. This one. This one. That one. that one. That one. Okay, so start a new game. We'll do that. Do that. That seems to be doing better with the different with the different connection. So that's good. Oh. I guess we probably don't want that in this menu. No, because we're making a different menu. We want that. So load that. Worked well. Oh, and the resume game button. Okay, so then the resume game is actually going to open this menu. Why does that say 239? Oh. Yeah. Okay. So save game. I'm thinking maybe copy new game. Like copy path. No. Duplicate to. Here we go. Copy. Rename this to. Can I rename it here? Rename it to load or resume game. Rename this to resume game menu. And then let's just get rid of this whole thing. And then drop the save menu there. Theme overrides. Drop that down a bit. Change this. Is this override in the... It's not, but we can make it text bigger. We will at some point, but not right now. Okay. do? What the? Oh, yeah. Oh, definitely detach this script. And then give it its own new script. Yes. Right, right, right. Very good. Blah, blah, blah. 532 and center. Oops. I can't do. Yeah, okay. Alright, that works. Fine. 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 240.94. I guess we can make that. We can, yeah. Um, fill, and then container size and fill expand. Oh, fill expand, fill. No. Fill expand. Fill. Fill expand. Huh. Is it like do I need a container and then child this to this? Reparent? Or no. Make scene root. Okay, no. How do I make this? Why is this no longer? Layout direction, horizontal, shrink center, shrink end, fill, expand, stretch ratio. Change type panel. Layout, container, fill, expand, please. Hi. I think I was right where it needs to be within like another thing. Layout, container sizing, fill, expand, Alright. What am I doing wrong here? Because that's obviously not what I want it to be doing. It's supposed to be like why is this? I feel stupid, but let's try something different here. What if we did for this? Let's redo that and redo that. And then go to container sizing, expand, shrink center, shrink center. Oh. Well, that's one thing. We're gonna undo that, and we're gonna go back to this. It's 800 by 532, 94, 232. 240.94. 240.94. Okay. So, save menu. Save list item. Let's just throw that in there. And then mess with this until we get it to work. Well, that worked. Okay. Use anchors in the rectangle. Oh, yeah, because I'm... You know what? We can just... Yeah, what am I doing? What am I doing? Why was I being extremely numbskulled? Oh, yeah, because that needs to be a VBox container. Save list. There. Save list item. There. There we go. That's what I wanted. No need for numbskullness here, gentlemen. Good deal. Okay. And so now... this... Game control 2 can go away entirely. Resume game. On resume game pressed, we are going to do this. Resume game pressed. Resume game. Close button. Pressed. Connect to that function and disconnect that. Oh wait, yeah, no, don't disconnect that. Self.visible equals false. Um, main computer. Oh, wait, no. In-game UI. Access is unique path. Resume game. Percent resume game menu. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Right. Not visible. Okay. I guess with the new game menu, we're gonna want to add a whole you know, what do you call it? Save file change, like save file thing. So you can change the name of the save file that it saves as for your new game. You know, save file things. So yeah, we'll want that, and then we'll probably want like phew. Let's see. I'm gonna delete that. So like the flow's gonna be come in here, start new game, seed, start, like a save file name there. Here's one thing that I've noticed that I think that I like this mechanic to an extent, but we'll have to work on it. I can just press and hold. Also with wood, there's a mining noise. So you can pretty much mine out an entire tree's worth in a half a second, pretty much. So it's a lot of wood. It's more wood than I ever really imagined that would be on this map, but I decided to make the resource nodes not just a single resource. So each tree's 50, each stone's 50. And then obviously at some point in the oncoming future, you're going to be able to like change the floors and do all sorts of fun things, but it's all in time to come. there through the sun. Holding on, keep holding on. I'll be right there, close to the sun, close to the sun. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. The ones who would get their name. I'm gone. Right there. The sun. Holding on. Keep holding on. You're right there. Close to the sun. Close to the sun. Do 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 do. Do 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 I'll be right there, close to the sun, close to the sun. Right there, close to the sun, close to the sun. Away with me, come and fly away with me, fly away with me, fly away with me, fly away with me, come and fly away with me. Eyes up, up. You. Eyes up, eyes up. I get loose. Eyes up, hips up. Okay, you know what? There's two things. There's two things I have to do. There's two things I have to do, I think. The save name? Oh no, I have to fix the controls for the spacecraft. And maybe rip out the scripting section. For the tech demo. I was thinking I could get it released tonight, but I can't. That's a lot more than I have. That's a lot more. But what I will do on stream right now is I will dedicate myself to a feature freeze. There will be nothing added. For the next week, there's going to be nothing added. I'm going to get the tech demo fleshed and polished and cleaned up. And then on the 12th, if not earlier, the tech demo will be published live on itch for anybody to touch. Just the tech demo. Just the tip. But there's like 7 or 8 people who care about this game right now. Outside of myself. So, at this point, shit, fuck it. I have to. I mean, I can't just not let this not actually happen at this point. I've put too much time into it. I've put too much, like, getting people interested into it at this point. Like, I feel like a letdown to the people that I haven't published it for. They've been watching it this whole time. It's been years. I can go back into my devlog chatter. Look at this. Sorry for the people who aren't getting fucking checked by the streamer mode, but I can go all the way back. I mean, there's a lot of experimentation that I've done all the way back to some of my very early prototypes over. This was all when I was just kind of messing around with it as a hobby idea. There we go. 3/29/2024. Void Cascades, but oh. Yeah, no, never mind. Ignore those. Ignore that. I was asking for money way too early. Way too early. But at this point, I'm getting very, 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 very comfortable with the development process. I was working with my own engine before. It was a mess, a whole bunch of things. And so I think I'm getting to a point now where it's more realistic that this is an actual game than it was just a hobby project back then. Because it was just I agree, it was just a hobby. I mean, I'm just agreeing with myself, but it was a hobby project back then. So, now I'm much more serious about it. This is actually something I think once people see what's close to, or like even 60% of the final product, because honestly, this is 10% of the final product, if even, maybe 5%. So there's more to come. There's once these core basic fundamentals are worked out, because that's a lot of what I've been doing over the last few streams and things, is basic fundamentals that need to be there. Things like a save manager, things like a way to track the state over multiple instances and things. So we're getting there. We're getting there. Once this tech demo's fleshed, like I said, feature freeze. If anything, we're probably going to remove the scripting feature. And then over the next week, I'm going to flesh it out. The tech demo will get published. I'm not going to take this one down. This one will just be something that I am comfortable with leaving up and working off of, because it's the tech behind it. So, what we need to do from here. We've got the... Let's fix this. So... this here. Center that. Minus 640. Minus 320. $360. Oh yeah, because the friggin' camera controller. Oh no. Wait. Beautiful. Perfect. Alright. You know what? Is that stupid? No, that looks like it should work pretty well actually. Yeah. Game UI controller, main computer visible. You know. Okay. Hmm. We're gonna leave it like that. Yeah, we'll leave it like that. I like that better. That's cleaner because this is an actual in-game UI versus the main menu UI. Now, to be fair, hold on, let's see here. It's kind of what I thought. That's, you know what? I'm not gonna worry about it. Oh. Oh yeah, because we leave the in-game UI, yeah, because it's here. Um, and you know, I do want the in-game UI as an overlay because it's gonna need to stay consistent-ish across. Um, it's gonna need to stay consistent across the different states. Let's add logic to remove the resume game button. Uh, when if a save gets deleted. So I think it would be save menu on delete pressed. Refresh save list, and then signal no saves remaining. And then okay, so func ready void resume game menu dot no saves remaining dot connect. And then how to do this inline? What was this inline thing? This was made by the AI, so we'll do func func hide resume game button void var menu if menu visible false. Oh wait. Oh yes. Well, I mean, yeah. I guess yeah. Hide, resume game, and then also resume game button visible false. So now, oh yeah, yeah. Also func uh main menu GD main computer dot hide resume game. Right, right. Stop. Save. Play. Save menu GD. Oh. Signal no saves remaining. Save lists no saves remain in connect. Func no saves remain in dot emit. Oh. If save list container dot size equals 0, no saves remain in emit. Length? Wait, what is save list container? Oh, save manager dot get all saves. Save manager get all saves dot size. No saves remain in emit. There we go. Start. Cool. Alright, that works as expectado. New game menu. Move. UI general. Move. Okay, so the game seed gets set. We're gonna put this right under here. Label save file name. Just be honest about it, I guess. Let's start this really quick. I want to see something without looking in the code. Save 0, 1. Ooh, I really like you. Ooh. Okay, so we're gonna append the .dat for them. And we'll just do save file name. Yeah, that's fine. Now, when this is done, on start button pressed, managers start new campaign, hash of the seed edit, we'll do save manager dot current save file equals save file name, the save file name line edit dot text, and then if save manager dot current save file, wait, dot text equals you know what? Yeah, let's do this. Plus dot dat equals dot dat. Then the save manager current file will equal save 01 dot dat. Otherwise, I think that's right. So resume game, save 01, start new game, test with the seed of ast. Save file not found, abort and load. Then it's generating it. And it's done it. I'm just gonna force a save just in case. Saved, loaded from test.dat. Cool. So one thing I want to save as well, actually, because the way it works is it hashes the seed edit or the text of the seed edit field. So that's an unrecoverable thing. So what I'm gonna want to do also is do like save manager dot current seed text equals seed edit dot text, and then I need to go add that into the save manager. Static var current seed text string equals 1618033 1618033. Want to game loaded from save 01. Where do we do that? Okay, well we also, I guess, yeah, we need to include that in the save data. Seed text current seed text. And then yeah, here. Otherwise 1618033 and current seed text equals data.get seed text 1618033. So that way we have parity between the seed text and the save. Game save to, game loaded from, and then we'll include the seed text. Okay. Test seed there at the end. Yep, cool. Why do I feel like I've seen this before? Maybe I must have used that before at some point. And so then let's go ahead and delete these both and then start a new one with just the pure default and see what it comes out with. Game loaded from. If not, seed edit.text equals empty, pretty much. This hurts me. This hurts me more than it hurts you. Hurts me way more than it hurts you. It's like one of the few, like, truly hard-coded values. The nice thing about PRNG is you know when it goes wrong because it looks not the same. Oh wait, no, it actually should look like this one. Okay. So okay. Let's just, you know what, just for sanity's sake too, just to make sure. Um, what happened down here? Hmm. Just for sanity's sake, we're gonna come in here and put in space seed text. Actually, let's do this. Turn this into a dictionary here. Print text. Oh no. Save text seed seed text seed val current seed. There. That should print it a little bit better. Okay. That looks right. Okay. That looks right as well. Okay. Yeah, so that's parity between those then. And so then also now if we do like different save file name, test one, same seed though. Pretty much same thing, but the only major difference being where the player spawns. Good deal. Okay. So that puts us pretty much finished for now with the save files. There's... Oh. I saw something while I was in there. Main menu. main computer, exit to menu, delete. Oh. Yeah, there. Oh, and you know what? There's also something. I don't know. Never mind. There's the show behind parents already on those. Yeah, yeah, no, it's already on. Cool. All right. So start new game. Oh, yeah. Oh, I forgot about that. That one's simple, relatively. What we need to do would be save manager, static var current default probe equals, and then in the new game menu when we, yeah, I understand. Um, oh, we have to do. Hmm. Okay, so. Ow, ow. Um, current default probe will have preview ship, back, front, and wings. And so it'll be a dictionary back 0, front 0, wings 0. And then it'll be save manager dot current default probe equals back preview ship dot back front preview ship dot front and wings preview ship dot wings. How are we? Don't tell me I'm... Okay, no, I'm not doing it in the inventory. I'm not drawing it in the inventory. Good. I'm like, don't tell me I'm drawing it in the inventory here. Okay. It'll be space, not space, world objects, entities, ship base. Oh no. Wait. So we're gonna want these. Yeah, I forgot I had updated these. Yeah, I'm aware. Preview. All of this. All of these. And all of this. If detail. These. Okay. Alright. Now we have to... Can I please copy this array? No. Ship asset entity world object ship assets. World object ship assets. Alright. We're gonna get rid of anything that looks like a propeller. We got details, we got front. best of me now. Front, front, front. Okay. And then the wings. Okay, cool. Why do songs always just have to be relevant? I love that. See. Best of me now, best of me now, the best of me now. So detail equals, I mean, no, detail equals nothing. Front equals save manager dot current default probe dot front. Back, obviously. Wings. Okay. Update visuals. Okay. Ooh. That's broken. Okay. I know why that's broken. It's because I forgot to do something really important with what I just changed there. Where these now need to be reset and updated again. So the back, the detail, the front, the weapon, and the wings. There we go. You see how I named my save files? Alright. So we're gonna do this with this save. And then we're going to connect to, oh, that's a brilliant, love it. I know why. I know why. I know why. Ship base. Visuals. Detail. -1. Weapon. -1. Oh no, that's not right. I think it was test 1, 2, 3, 5. No, no, that should have worked. Save manager. Save. Yeah. Default default probe. Current default probe. How did I spell that wrong? What's wrong with that? Oh. And then, current default probe equals data.get default probe or empty. Okay, so let's go ahead and delete that. Start, test, and then 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 5. Alright. Just got a buzz on my phone. Hmm? Hmm. That's a sus email. Hmm. Connect. Okay. Craft. Probe. Ah, okay, that's right. Yeah, that's right. That's, yeah, cool. in with the goddamn relevant songs. Alright, so so ooh, 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 ooh. Oversight. That was an oversight that I have not addressed actually. UI. Nope. It's in the old folders. This one. So where is it? Controls. I think this is it. Material, texture, override, theme override, style. Yes, here we go. Style box empty. Video, theme, styles, style box empty. Audio, style box empty. Okay, that looks better. Let's get rid of it in that one too. It's this one. Yeah. Okay. Oh, wow. Alright. I'm happy with that. It runs quite well. Feels feels good. Feels clean. We'll see how it handles when there's a few hundred things in there, but that's to come. So there's a handful of things that are left that will need to be fixed. I said feature freeze earlier, but fixed is what has to happen because these are supposed to work. Not that. Yes, I moved them. So these. So this is supposed to work, and this is supposed to work. But they don't because of how I changed the system that handles the things that exist in the world. However, with that change, it should be relatively easy to be able to get these to save and not just disappear immediately. So that will be nice. Well, not immediately, but disappear when the player saves the game and quits, I guess is a good way to put it. Um, so yeah, yeah. There's that. Uh, yeah, let's go there. Just checking something. Yeah, that's about what I expected. Alright, so we've got to re-implement these, which shouldn't be too terribly hard because of how the world object placer works. This one's fun, actually. This one's pretty fun. So what it does, basically it's this that's what handles placing the ship when I spawn it probe. So it'll basically create a version of it. It creates a whole version of it and then just destroys it and then creates an actual entity. So it'll spawn the node and then once it's placed, it adds it to the entity thing, and then it notifies the UI to update and so on and so forth. Oh, big yaws here. Hold up. So yeah, we got that going there, and we'll have yeah, we'll have a handful of things going with that. So placed object preview. We're gonna have to define the we're going to have to define the where's the entity manager? Oh, it's not open. So we're gonna have to define, let's see, way up here. entity type, inventory, entity type, terminal. Okay. So I had an idea just now. I want to try something. I'm going to first I want to see if this will work the way I want it to. I wonder what people would think about this. Let's resume this one. And then we're going to connect to this guy. Come over into his inventory. I want to build a probe. Well, actually, so I'm going to come into OBS. I'm going to click start recording. And then I'm going to come over here. Mine that up. Come over here. Mine that up. Come over here. Craft this probe. Spawn it. And then spawn this one. And then I'm gonna stop the recording. And then I'm gonna come over here, I'm gonna come over here. Oh, that's what the bugs were coming from. Videos. I'm gonna come down here to the recording, I'm gonna grab it. And then I'm just gonna pop it in here really quick, and then ask this, can you make a short video that kinda just enhances this one? I'm asking the AI to make a video that enhances what I just gave it. can't do it based off of a video. That's lame. You know what? I have an idea too. This is gonna be kind of messy compared to the way I was gonna do it before. So we're gonna do I'm gonna put myself here, and I'm gonna take a screenshot of the whole window, and then I'm just gonna come over to a new window. Maybe once it actually opens, why did it open like 70? And then I'm gonna go back to Gemini. I'm gonna give it the screenshot I just took. I'm going to come over here. Going to mine it. I'm going to take a screenshot of the whole window. I'm gonna upload that. Why am I getting complaints about USB devices? And then I'm going to do, I'm gonna show the craft, where I craft the probe, and then I'm gonna craft the probe, I'm gonna grab it, and I'm gonna take a screenshot, and then I'm gonna paste it. Oh wait, I didn't take the screenshot. Oh, it's complaining about my keyboard. That's what it's whining about. My keyboard just quit on me. What? Why'd my keyboard just stop responding? The hell? That's what I get for spending 70 bucks on a keyboard. Oh, sorry. Where's my mechanical? Or my other one? Where is it? Alright, I figured out a few things. I got my other keyboard. Realized I was muted. Trying to plug it in right now. Just gonna have to hope that this one works. Yeah, it works. Plug my mouse back in. Alright, cool. Alright, and then we're going to do another one. Yeah, we're gonna make another one, and it's going to go here. Oh, never mind. I'm gonna make another one, and it's gonna go here. Shit. Okay, I'm gonna unplug my keyboard before it dies this time. Going to undo the only major changes I've done, which was add a TV. Close that. I'm going to restart or reset the laptop dock that I have. I'm going to I'm going to unplug this. I'm going to go ahead and reset reset that. Unplug the, let's see, I think that's all. Okay. Really would rather not lose another keyboard right now. So I'm gonna have to get back down here off the chair. So put that there. Put that there. Why is it complaining about the keyboard? Windows logs. Application. System. Everything that you dream, everything that you need is in the air that you breathe, it's in the mind that you feed, it's in the time that you bleed. Every second of life is 9:36. All the connected devices will now cause disconnected devices. That's not it. This life is a prison if you don't have vision. You're in it to win it, so get it, don't miss it. Your chances now, so be something somehow. Don't let yourself down. That's right. Sometimes all we really need is hope. What is happening here? I wanna feel alive, feel the blood inside my veins. I wanna slow the time, will you slow it down with me? I think I need to find what it means to be okay. It's broken by design, can't live life without some pain, yeah. And I know I'll keep running, no, I'll be something you won't see me coming. I keep punching, I grow, I keep hunting, no, I think I see. If I do this right now. Okay. But if I do what is why? Is it? Yeah, it's not complaining now. Corsair K70 RGB drivers. I forgot it has a double type on E. This poor keyboard has been through a lot. Well, hey, it didn't complain about not identifying it this time, right? I don't think I need to download the drivers. Oh, well, it didn't say anything because it was. Are these just notifications that are stuck? No, they're not. Okay, well, I mean, I'm almost done here anyway. We're gonna have to figure this crap out. But I think that calling it here is probably. God dang, brother. Is it the keyboard? At some point it should stop if it's the keyboard. Because it'll get disconnected from the computer and then reconnect. It's working just fine. Oh, well, that notification is still open. So, let's keep going. Right when I let go. I feel like I'm getting trolled by my computer. Alright. That's... Why? Can you tell me what... I mean, all of the USB devices I have are working fine, other than... Like, I mean, I can try reconnecting this hub. Is it temperature related? Are you complaining about temperature, perhaps? Maybe things are getting a little too spicy in the old laptop there. Get a cooling fan or 3 here. Disconnect the mouse for a minute. Plug in the cooling fan or 3. Can't really plug those in well there. There we go. The music will come back in a minute. Do these work still? Answer is a resounding no. That's a shame. Oh, that'd be why. That is a shame. Plugging the mouse in would help. I really don't know what it's complaining about here with the USB. It's like everything's just working. So, anyway, well, I mean that's that for now. Go ahead and get rid of all that, and then get rid of all that. I want to show something really quick before I finish for the night. Go back out to the this. So this little guy. If I open in File Manager and then go to Build, and then go to Project, and then go to Export, just to make sure that it's exported. And then go to here. And here. And then Host and Join. This is a physics-based, or like a Newtonian physics-based space flight thing. Yeah. You get where it's going though, right? Like you see the concept. I can actually bump the dude. I can bump the other ship, and then there's inertia dampeners and there's like movement And get right up next to the, right up next to him. And then bump, 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 bump. And then pew 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 pew. So anyway, I started blasting. Pew 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 pew. Pew 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 pew. Pew 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 pew. Pew 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 pew. Oh, I'm obviously not good at this. Pew 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 pew. Pew 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 pew. Let's see there. You know, actually, this is something I should test. Let's see. So that's interesting. It didn't seem like the stars changed at all when when it respawned. Oh, I guess they probably won't change all that much. The rotation, however, that should affect it. Maybe it, no? Does it not? I guess it doesn't reset the rotation when it respawns. Well, yeah, anyway, you see where that's going. It's just kind of a prototype thing I'm messing around with. I was experimenting with the idea of 3D games and how they work and how to experiment with space in 3D. Oh yeah, you know what? I'll throw this in here too. Um, well, no, maybe I won't. Yeah, I can put it in here. Uh, I can add the node 3D, and then this will just be, oh gosh, this will just be the course spawner, and then the ring, the ring scene. And so this should just do it for the, well, you see that, oh, yeah. Um, so we'll add a node 3D, and then we'll attach the course spawner to it, and then we'll attach the course ring to that. There we go. So it started with the concept of, well, I mean, it actually did start as the concept of fighting in space, but it this was the first test I did for the flight physics, and I've actually seemed to have locked them down quite well now with the way the dampener works and the way the ship feels weight-wise. So it's got, I think, 6 degrees of freedom is what it's called. And then you have up, down, all of the rotation, and then thrust in pretty much all of the directions as well. And then you can also tab to switch to a other perspective. This course is long. I think it's like 50 rings. Missing a bunch here. Going fast though, so it's not to blame. Missed lots of misses. That's okay. So yeah, this will probably I might push the race version of it at some, or not the race, the this version of it. I might not have the multiplayer, but I could have multiplayer and then have it so you can like hop in and race against someone and test out your space flight skills if you have them, or learn them if you don't have them. Because flying in space is fun, and there's not enough games that just kind of give you this. Fucked all that up. So yeah, I might do. You know what? I'll spend a bit longer working on this version of it. I'll make it so the rings get destroyed. I'll make it so you have a timer. Maybe make the rings a bit bigger. Wow. Wait, no, this is actually what? You ever have that moment where it's like, this is not not what I thought it was initially when I was working on it? Like this, now that I've initially when I was doing this race bit, I didn't have the flight physics figured out quite right. But that was, I'm gonna do that one more time. Hi, kitten. Yeah, I'm almost done, baby. Yeah. I hear ya. Wow. This feels so smooth and like I'm this is too cool. I think I've missed like one or two so far. One issue is that they're all the same angle, so it's not like a clean pipe. I think I missed two. Shit. I might I might publish that. Oh, I can make an endless runner variant of that may be a quick project. Endless runner variant of that where it's like you just gotta keep going. And then you can use the fucking you gotta use the blasters to oh, I can change them into a into an area or back into a collision shape too, and then have it so you have to blow. Oh, okay. Blow up asteroids. Oh yeah, no, people would play the shit out of that. Oh, okay. And it's a simple one too. It's like, all right, here's the keys, here's the directions that they send you in. If you're a masochist, you can use purely keyboard, but hmm, and the fun thing is I'm using the Godot sky, so it's just an infinite sky. It's never gonna disappear, the stars in the background, that is. Let's try it without dampeners. Oh, it's tough without dampeners, but it's doable. Oh, it's entirely doable. Gets a bit boring after a bit, but that's where the extra bits would come in. Oh, yeah, baby. Now this is the